بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now I will resume my testing for router closer for P546. والفيديو ده برضك هشرحه بالانجليزي. في احد الاخوة تواصل معايا وطلب مني ان انا اشرحه له بالانجليزي. انا بعمل اللي عليا وبجتهد، وكل واحد بيجتهد من ناحية، واللي يشوفني بخطأ في حاجة يصححها، مش مشكلة، احنا بشر ومعرضين للخطأ. الاوتو كلوزر زي اي ريلي في الدنيا. For auto closer, the same function for every relay have some parameter, have some philosophy to work, have some logics work up to it. You must read manual first, careful. Don't start to test like this without reading manual. This is a conclusion of the sequence of the work of auto closer for P546 Micom. We have the pulse trip time, okay, and progress time. Here auto closer close, force 3 ball closing, reclaim time, and successful close. Most important, I will concentrate on it. Reclaim time, how do I calculate? Okay, auto close pulse, this one. Okay, so this will be the dead time or close time will start after we close after off. Okay, so this trip, this here trip, see, we have some time limitation waiting, then we'll start to reclose. Okay, the in progress will start from the initiation time, will end until reclose time. All this one you can calculate if you want from the binary input, binary output of the relay. From inside the BSL we can configure this one to calculate what you want timing. You can configure, but I will calculate only the auto close pulse time and reclaim time. Okay, how I can make, okay, I will show you first in the BSL how we program this issue. Here my corner that I make everything, I will make this one big so you can see good. This my test. First you must address all this parameter from here. You can add like this what you want. I will add here CB1 auto closer initiated to see is initiated or not. Then auto closer 3 phase in progress to monitor my sequence. Then to calculate our timing, I will start the auto close CB1 to calculate the short time. Also I will monitor by lead. Here auto closer CB1 successful close. This one to calculate the reclaim time, because as explained before, the reclaim time will start after successful shot. Okay, well, after successful shot, reclaim time until successful flows coming. Okay, as I explained here, reclaim time telling this time will start after dead time received. After total data time, reclaim time will start and end after successful close signal coming. Okay, so I will calculate all this area beginning from dead time until successful close time. This auto close here from here. Okay, so the reclaim time will count from dead time until successful close. Okay, I will show in the sequencer what dead time will start, what is the successful close start. Here we have successful 3-phase autocloser, so I will calculate this time also. This is the end of this, at this point, ending of reclaim time. Look out also to check when I not provide some parameter for the autocloser, so the function jump to lookout direct. I'll explain also how to jump to lookout direct when missing some parameter. Here to confirm our synchro check is okay when I using synchro check function included inside the autocloser. I'll explain also this issue. Okay, this initiation, my initiation, I greater than one trip provide here. I give some names, so my parameter here testing. This is my contact output contact, here also testing one. For my second contact for autocloser, you can drag your name from here, extract name from .set file. You can extract or drag out all your name in the setting file. Also I program some binary input to control the function. Here this autocloser on pulse. Okay, you can on this input you can control also in or out. Okay, if you remove this one and replace by autocloser off pulse, you can make this one to switch off the function total. This binary input will control the breaker status. Just I will give him CB1 auxiliary 3-phase 52A. Here binary input, automatically the function will detect that the breaker is closed. If this binary input absent, it will automatically reverse the status of the breaker and make this off. Here sure to provide the breaker is healthy or the ore is ready, so I provide this two binary input and this one fixed from the panel itself. So breaker is on, this breaker is healthy. This all parameter you will need to program in the PSL to start your function. We can close. Okay, now we'll go to setting one by one. This function not like other function, all parameter not in one location. You can go to here to configure this function total. So first you will go to CP control to identify how to control on the breakers, or how to notify the breaker as a system that the breaker is on or off. I will give him CP control by op2, but I will inform system sync check 1 second. I will put this parameter to identify the sync wait time to check the synchronization. CP healthy time, the time required to be CP healthy, or the time required to waiting the CP healthy signal. I'm going to find this one should be recommended by the final setting. Close delay. Okay, the most important is this one is the most important. CB1 status input 52A 3 ball. This one is what I identified in the PSL, what I informed before. If this relay find positive on this input, he will automatically identify the CB on. If this absent, he will make this off automatic without anything. This time or the waiting time also for this status also I put 1 second, no problem. This CB2 if I have working 1.5 scheme, no need here, only I work here in single breaker scheme. This how to manage and reset your lookout, this autocloser. Here I select reset by U and I. When he see current or voltage, he will reset. I can also manage from external reset if I need external reset, if I can enable and assign binary input. Whatever you need to reset, you can manage from this one. Then after you will jump to configuration, and from configuration you enable one function only for testing and initiation. What you want you can enable. Whatever you enable here will come to you downside in the relay config, in the function of autocloser to be initiate or block or something. I will show you after. Overcurrent I will make it enable because I will initiate my function from overcurrent function. Okay, here open also I open sync function, also I will open from here here system check I will be enabled to check the synchro. Okay, don't forget to check your VT bus and VT phase to configure here the ratio for bus CB1 synchro VT primary. You will put here primary and secondary for C1 for bus synchro, this one for main line. Okay, and you set here the synchro type. Okay, as I make in GE before, L90 I will make synchro from A in phase, or whatever you have in the scheme you can change here. Okay, then also some parameter to shifting in the synchro. After this parameter you will go to our function. First I will test independent of synchro, then after I will merge the synchro function inside. Okay, this overcurrent what I will initiate, I will make enable definite time non-directional 0.5 as the setting, no more. This supervision no need. Where we have system check, I will check synchro parameter first. I informed before I need to prepare all the parameter for my test, so when I start I will not stop. This mean of preparing or check all this parameter first. Lifeline I notify by when you see 32 volts, this mean life is line is live. Deadline when you see 13 minimum less than 13 volts, this mean line is dead. Same bus 2 same. Okay, under voltage over voltage system check CB1 I will make this enable. Okay, synchro voltage block when we under status enabled, I will be focusing this synchro check status enabled. This is the angle division, this is the voltage division. If you need phase division also you can add. Frequency division you added. CB2 I disable because here I am not using CB2. CB1 in only. Okay, after this one, now I am ready to start auto recloser. I will give hint or small information. If you give name for your binary input you can add it here, not outside. Here you can change any name. Here you can name, then okay, then after save, then go to PSL and extract the name from the setting. Select your setting, you change the names and extract. He will provide your own name what you need to don't confused or disrupt in your work. Also here I would put same you can doing. So now I will start auto closer function. Here one by one CBS name CB1 only. Okay, we can here select if you want CB1 CB2 or CB1 or CB2. Here only CB1 as I informed before. Auto close more, auto close 3 phase, not single phase. A shot, only one shot I will be using. Escape shot disable. Multi-phase auto closer, allow auto close, no problem. This one we don't care about this one because we're disabled already. Here protection reset. Dead time will start when protection reset. So now we can catch the protection the dead time where he started already. And when I inform him protection resetted. Okay, so automatically will start this one. We can here manage also the dead time will start from line dead. Also we can start the dead time from the CB operation, but here I will start dead time from protection reset. Don't confuse yourself and open too much function only. We need simple test for this one. All my tests in simulation because my panel until now not function tested. I am in pre-commissioning status. See here 3 phase dead time shot 1. Here name give his dead time shot 1. In ABB he giving other closing time, not dead time. because no mix between dead time and the closing time. Some relay definite dead time is the time required for breaker to be completely off. Some other relay as this one, he defined time started after protection reset until auto recloser shot. It is different. Some stupid people, sorry about this, but some stupid we meet this one persists the time like this, like this, like this. No, every relay have some his definition about the dead time or closing time or short time. It's different. So read manual. Then when anyone ask you about what's the time, for him, what do you mean by the time? Which relay you need, or generally you need, ask like this. Okay, I will assign here first short time 5 seconds. No need 2, 3, 4, no need. 3 phase reclaim time, this one reclaim time I assign 10 seconds. Then healthy time I assign him 1 second. Also sync time I assign him wait for sync for 1 second. I will use this sync after not now. This one when I open one function upside it automatically come downside to be initiate auto closer or not. No need any logic, no need to add anything in the PSL more than what I show you. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Only what I configure, this configure should be 1 greater than 1, this auto closer, this phase over current definite time what I said it before. So auto closer I will keep initiate. You can select here between initiate or block or no action because already we will add it here. Okay, as example I will show you. If I open here configuration file and I open as example any phase differential, I make this enable. See what will happen. I will go downside in the function auto closer, you will find that differential will come downside. You must say first. Here's differential. Here we have distance. Here enable. Here you must save. Wait 1 minute. See now it is coming here Z1 auto closer. You can Z1 distance edit auto closer, Z2, Z3, Z4 direction edit auto closer. This function was allowed to make auto closer on. Just you open from upside is coming here downside directly. Okay, and also some other else. If I go to here, phase differential is disabled. Let us make enable and check what should be coming here downside. Directional it is not happening, so you can see here coming here as I informed before. Just you make it is on, automatically will come here. Then I can what function you need. Here I can make a block or initiate what I need to make. Here what I explained before, just you open one function upside is come automatically downside. You can return again to our test. That I need to try to explain. No need to make any extra logic inside. The function is independable and have everything inside completely. Initiation from software, no need to go to and make logic again and again. Only logic I make is enough. Supervision also I don't need this one. Okay, Okay, now first initially I will start to test without synchro. So now I make synchro off. Here I can send fast and quick from by this way. Okay, now I'll try to test only in one injection. I will can find and catch short time and reclaim time in one time. Here I will explain my test sequencer again. Sequencer here stage 1 I will put CB on and CB healthy. Okay, then second stage I will make create fault, 3-phase fault, CB on also CB healthy state, and the trigger from protection trip. Third state I will inject for health status. You can do 0, okay, 0 0 or whatever you want. You can put 0 0 what you want. No, leave this one healthy to reset, or don't make block for the auto closer. Here trigger this one will trigger this one, so CB healthy only, and I want to inform just you open this one. This means the breaker is off. No need to give him provide binary input as a breaker off. Here trigger also from autocloser pulse, and this pulse will be the dead time pulse. After I will give this a transit, just a transit from here to here to distinguish between this pulse and this pulse, because I have the same contact. So give this one just a transit from this stage to this stage to give a chance for Omicron to calculate accurate time. Here I give him pulse of from autocloser pulse, which would be that autocloser is successful and the end of the reclaim time, so you can catch your reclaim time. Reclaim time I just assigned before is 10 seconds. Reclose time I put 2 seconds. Check output here 5 seconds. 5 seconds here. So I change this one to don't create any problem. Okay. Now we'll just let we start and check what's the behavior of the relay, what he will do. Now we will be should be closed. Now we need progress. Now should be closed. Now we're waiting until reclaim time finish and you let Omicron calculate this reclaim time. See, now it is reclaim time, this short time, this tripping time. You have all time what you need. If witness need more time, you can program from BSL and configure as you understand. Go from this graph. No need to more discussion. This graph explain everything. No confusion. This is a manual. This is a manual number. This I'm downloaded from Schneider website. No secret. Okay. Now second I will test embedded function for Synco. Embedded function of Synco. Now I will here for CB1 F Synco. I will enable. Okay. Now enable. Just I enable. I will open short one. Enable Synco for short one. Then synchronous is CS. Also I will make it is enable. So now and this all this condition for Synco bypass I make disable deadline live bus line dead bus deadline dead bus. I make disable because I will not test this one effect in here. Only I will test it affected of the Synco. What I will simulate here the relay it will wait time equal to dead time plus the autocloser waiting time is this autocloser check time. This time he will wait for this time plus this time until sync coming. If this sync not coming from within this time, he not wait reclaim time and go to direct to block, and I will show you how to calculate this time. Okay, now I will make simulation first for sync and how the test will be pass. Now as I perform, I will take phase and the ground, phase and the ground. Here خلاص. Now I satisfy the the sync. So as you will see, this function will bypass no problem, the closing sequence will be okay, and short time will be okay, everything will be nice, because sync function embedded and sync condition is satisfied, so the relays work without any problem. Okay, so any problem here. Now I will give him no sync function condition, bus 0. Now lifeline and dead bus. I make this function disable in the synco bypass, so he will see this status as fail in synco, and will jump to lockout. Will jump to lockout and will give us the waiting time for lockout here. See, as I clip them before 6 seconds. This means 5 seconds for dead time plus 1 second waiting for synco. He will provide this 6 seconds. Okay, now is this lifeline and dead bus. Let us try this some play games. We'll make this one lifeline dead bus. We go here lifeline dead bus. We'll make this one enable, and let's see, we try together and check sync will bypass this function or not. Okay, save first, sorry. Okay, now this condition should be healthy condition, as I give you notifications as if you see lifeline and dead bus, sync will be okay, and follow your work, no blocking, as I understand. If other else, okay, no problem. Now it is, I am happy now, it is satisfied my point of view and work nice without any problem. I bypass synco in this condition, lifeline dead bus. Others you can try what you want, play as you want, but first understand the scheme and understand the logic. Read the manual. Don't let anyone to feed you without thinking. Just think, then you can manage, you can play what you want and what condition you want, you can play. I hope you understanding my point of view, and I apologize about of my bad language of English. This last time I will speak by it. Next I will speak only by Arabic. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before I close, for sync function, it is easy function to check. You just take sync is okay or not output, then you can take quick CMC, you can inject phase and the bus voltage, then you can change in phase delta V, delta F, delta phi as usual. This is very easy. This and thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.